What's kicking, chickens? How y'all doing today? Today, we're gonna show y'all how to catch speckled trout. One of the funnest fish to catch and one of the greatest fish to eat. And show you a little trick that we use. Help you put them in the boat. Come watch me and my babies throw a bunch of fish in the boat.
Okay, babe.
Mommy, my princess fell in the water.
It's okay, babe.
Here, girl. Somebody come. Get off the
Geek. Okay.
Real fast. Here.
Right out of the side.
Baby, you want to bring one?
Right out there.
Look, over there, bro. Just cast out. No. Yeah. Right there. There you go. Fire. It's okay.
Oh, shit. Now get your buddy. Put your glasses on. They do two things. They save your eyes.
I keep catching.
Almost.
It's not big enough.
Where's the
You need to get over here. Get over here. Look, see the fish come up right there?
Give it a case. Give it a case. Give it a case.
Here.
Go take Case's pole.
Lizzie. Real. Got it real fast. Look, get over here. Pull like this.
These are caught up.
No.
Nope, you're just big. Keep going. Good job.
Real.
Why?
Because I see it. Alright, that's good.
Here, okay. See that bird coming down, see that?
Coming.
The big one, Case? I need a net.
I need a net for that one.
I have a bunch of fish in mine.
There he is.
No.
Uh-oh. Yeah, too much slack.
There's fish all between me and Kevin right now.
So he's using a 4 horseman popping cart, a 3-inch, come down to a split shot, and I'm using a DOA 3-inch shrimp just to show you that we was hooking live shrimp underneath that. That's like a 1/0 J hook, and we just casting underneath those birds and catching them. And later on we hit a reef, and I'll show you about the reef in a little bit. Yeah, look, look straight in front. You gotta cast out about 30 yards. Oh, that's a good one. Don't jump out the boat.
Yeah, don't walk on the boat.
Here. Go put it in the ice.
No.
Oh, no, I'll get it.
So nope, nope.
Oh, Case. Front the boat.
Mama's first turn.
Is it on?
Mhm.
Yep. You don't have to hold right there. Bring him in, Mom. Alright, that's good.
Better not be a throwback either.
You
It
can't.
probably is.
Yeah,
That's probably a baby.
Hey, cookie.
wasted a shrimp.
I didn't cast it, so.
Woo!
Daddy.
What was that?
It went straight in the bait bucket, the fish.
At least Mama got one.
This is that fucking
Yay, Mommy!
I ain't got customers if you want to come over here. Yeah, right here. I think they had, look, there was a tribe of them going oyster by. Yeah, CJ got another one on right now. Real. Don't stop. Alright, come on in.
Wait,
Papa, can you hold the
I
bucket?
never made it.
just put it on the ground, bud.
I was gonna go where me and you and Brent were the other day, but I never made it.
Baby, just leave the bucket on the ground.
Dang.
I'll get a little more.
Got one in there still.
I didn't call everybody, so I'm gonna call you. That's it. Look at him. That should be a fish. He was just waiting for the good ones. He don't catch small fish. Oh, that's a keeper.
Oh yeah,
That's a keeper. Now he's excited.
You got
Yeah,
30
no shit,
points now.
Look, keep that cork out of my face. Oh, wait, don't get tangled up.
I got 0 points. The world record is 500 points.
Might be right
What's
there.
500 points and what are we talking?
Speckled Trout's 500 points.
I'll have,
Yeah, I've got enough for a good supper.
You have 30 points.
Look out there, see.
how do I have
Yeah,
30
solid.
points if you just said a speckled trout was 500?
I thought you have to get like a...
These rocks catch a lot of plankton and whatnot. They get a bunch of algae. So then the shrimp go up there to eat the plankton and the algae. And then these predator fish stand right on the other side. So whenever the current blows across there, it just blows the shrimp straight into the trout's mouth because they're ambush predators. And so that's what you do. You just park, as the tide's going across the rocks, you park behind where the trout would be, cast above the rocks, and you pull your bait across, and you're gonna pull it right into their mouth. And that's exactly what we did at the end of the day.
Gar. No one wants to catch no gar.
Well, if you do, you get 500 points. And that's
Well, it's not gonna happen. Especially on that. I'm good.
How many trout we got?
CJ,
Huh?
can you help me?
What you got, bud? Hang on, let me tie this. I'll be right there.
hook.
Yeah, you hold it.
I got it. Sometimes you have to twist that bird.
Oh, it's tied or not.
Let go, Chris.
Hang on, man. Come here. One bird was just picking right there. Ain't
That's a dolphin fin.
What?
Yeah, that's a dolphin fin.
No, I think that's just a pipe.
My towers, I would like to fly and
You wanna go do it?
yeah, okay, I'll roll it in. I'll roll
Take my jacket off. Lane, take the jacket off.
I'll do. Wait, let's Lee's turn.
Look between your legs. Look, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
The wind will blow them out.
Keep reeling.
Gonna pull her in.
The wind will blow them out.
That's a trout. That's a good trout.
It's gonna be a big red.
I think so. Here it comes.
He's gonna run hard when he gets to the boat.
Hang on there.
Go under.
Oh God.
Go under.
Wait, come back. Pick up.
Reel
Wait,
a
what
little
are you
bit.
doing? Good. Move your finger.
She got her finger in. Oh, never mind.
Oh, man.
No.
They followed us here.
No.
Trash.
No.
Now on this week of Cooking with CJ, let's fry up some speckled trout for a couple cold ones. Show you how it's done. So this is what I use to put on the fish. A little cayenne pepper, some onion powder, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, use some milk, Louisiana hot sauce, and some Dijon mustard, and a little bit of the parents. And that's for me. You think you pushed the record button? And you didn't. So, didn't get any of that. So that's why I showed you what I used. So now let's take a look at it. I'm just gonna take that, use our old hands, get nasty with it. Stir it around a bit. All right. Got them old French fries kicking, baby. Look at there. Just look at it. That one's finished. Getting ready to do the fish. This is probably the best fish fry you can buy. It's already seasoned, got a lemon in it. I mean, I still add a little lemon anyways to the fish, but anyway. This Zatarain's fish fry. Anything else, I'm gonna use Louisiana. But Zatarain's fish fry is where it's at. It's not too crunchy, not too soft, perfect. All right, it's showtime. That's what I like to do. I like to take about 4 or 5 little chunks, put it in a bowl. Anyway, this is in there. You just kind of swirl it around a little bit, get a little meal everywhere, and just get in there with them hands. Then they got that crease. You gotta get that crease. You gotta get it in there. Just like that. All right, so we got our pieces of fish. Everything looks like it's battered. All right, we're gonna get this. Take your fish, right in the grease. We already know our grease is hot because we just pulled out our okra. Lay them in there. And it's not gonna take long. A couple minutes. Come look at this stalker over here. Go look at the stalker that's in the window. All right, here we go. Look at that. Maybe 2 minutes. Got to make sure that grease is really hot. Woo, baby, girl. It's gonna be good. Mama, you better hide. I'm sure. All right, girls. Who likes their fish? Y'all caught those fish. What's the fish y'all caught the other day?
I'd say it's a 10 out of 10.
What?
I say it's 100 at 200.
Golly!
It's more than that. I think it's 1,000 times 1,000. I
Dang.
think it's 1,000 plus 20,000.
Yeah! That's some good fish if I had to say anything. That's what I'm talking about.
It's better with ketchup if it's hot.
I tell you what, it wasn't as fun as catching them, but I sure am glad they liked them. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.